Happy Thursday. Thanks for clicking to WYTV.com. I'm meteorologist Ryan Halicki. This is the storm system that I'm watching on our Thursday evening and producing a lot of severe weather, well, south of us as of the afternoon, but our chance still there for a couple of stronger storms. Now, this is the severe outlook here for our Thursday evening. Now, if you watched our video yesterday, we had that yellow shade overhead here in the valley. That's that level 2 of 5 for the severe risk. We've actually been downgraded into eastern Ohio and western PA, pulling that slight risk category a little further to the west, but that doesn't mean that we can't still see a stronger storm. The threat looking a little greater there into central Ohio, but still a potential for storms with a little severe wind gusts in them, and also watching for the potential for flooding. Tornado threat low but not zero, but it is again looking pretty low for us. So hour by hour walkthrough, we'll have the potential for a line of some storms coming through between about 8 and 10 o'clock here, and then an additional round that I'm watching approaching as we get closer to midnight coming out of southwest Ohio. That will continue to bring heavier downpours through the overnight, and the potential there still for a little gusty wind embedded within any of the thunderstorms. Now, by daybreak Friday, I do still expect to have some showers around, but late morning into early afternoon, we have a window here where things try to dry out and those clouds break up a little bit. There's a window for a little bit of sun, which would help get our temps back into the mid-70s. However, late afternoon and into Friday evening, more thunderstorms developing for the area. We'll have that risk continuing into Friday evening and then overnight Friday into Saturday. As a storm system pivots through our region, we'll keep that threat for showers in the forecast through at least Saturday early morning before we finally wrap that up and we get into a stretch of some warm and dry days. So downpours stay high on our hassle factors list. You're going to notice it feeling a little humid. That will continue until at least Friday night after the cold front starts moving through and we get slightly drier air coming in. I should say cooler air moving in as we come into our Friday night. But again, 61 degrees, that low. Rounds of showers and storms will be with us this evening and overnight into daybreak on your Friday. I do expect rain around in the early morning, late morning. We look for a little bit of sun continuing through early afternoon. By mid to late afternoon, thunderstorms start popping up again, hit or miss variety into Friday evening, and then Friday night into Saturday morning, we'll have some showers around that are starting to wrap up as we get into the daybreak hours on our Saturday. Then we start looking for the clouds to thin out a bit. Much of our Saturday is looking like a mostly cloudy day. It is also the coolest day of the forecast period with a high of about 70 degrees. Heading into Sunday, though, improving conditions. We get a high around 80, more sunshine, lots of sun early next week. Temperatures very toasty. We're going to get up to the upper 80s to near 90 degrees after that chance for some showers around Saturday morning. Next chance, we have to wait until Thursday. We'll be watching a cold front that approaches the valley here, bringing the risk for some showers and storms into Thursday morning.